Hello animators, SSM Mentor here and welcome to my another interesting After Effects tutorial which makes your animation realistic and in dimension, that's my guarantee. One of the things I often struggle with is trying to create kind of elastic and dynamic animation, I guess lively look. And one way to do that is to use CC Bandit tool, and that is exactly what I'm going to do today. Let's create a new composition in 1920 by 1080p. First we need to create a background scene. For this purpose, take a shape layer. Choose a color whatever you want. Now go to effects and presets. Search the gradient ramp, drag and drop the effect. This gives you the best color combination. Now let's create some grass for this scene. So you must need to take pen tool and draw the grass. Again use the gradient ramp tool for more enhanced look. I have already built in character and some other flower layers which I'm going to drag and drop in the After Effects. Resize the character according to our scene. Now let's go to the rotation property for some animation. Add keyframes. Remember, must set the anchor point below the y-axis for rotation look in a manner. The first keyframe is around -35. Now add another keyframe, this time around +35. Easy ease the keyframes, press F9. Now what we are looking for is to make this rotation in a loop. We need to go to rotation section and press Alt on the stopwatch. Type the command loop out, bracket, ping pong, close the bracket. Full video for this loop animation, link available in description. So this is how we create loop. Now this time to use one and only our main tool, CC Bend tool. Go to effects and preset and apply CC Bend tool. When we apply the bend tool, we see that our layer gets trimmed. Oops, don't worry about that. We have starting and ending point, so we must adjust this point to avoid the trimming. Now it's time to set the keyframe for bend tool. Set the first value around 36. Then move forward some frames and set the keyframes and set another keyframe around -35. As usual, smooth the keyframe and press F9 for easy ease. We want bend perform loop animation, so we are going to use the same code. Okay, we did that. That's looking so cool. But it's still not the perfect animation what we are looking for. Or what are you thinking? So we need to select both bend keyframes and offset them around 45 frames. And now this is the animation we are looking for. This look more professional type of animation, and the animation is looking realistic and exciting to watch. I have another layer which I want to animate as a swing animation. That's flower layer. And do the same process for this flower. We are successful to create the full swing animation. To enhance our scene, we need to create more layers for the grass. Okay, let's take the pen tool and create it. This is the final result. I hope you like this quick tip for swing animation, so hit the like button and must subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, my friends.